Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Polygon price prediction and Polygon news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Polygon in 2022. Polygon, formerly MATIC network, is the first well-structured and easy-to-use Ethereum scaling and infrastructure development platform. Its core component is the Polygon SDK, a flexible modular framework that supports the creation of multiple types of applications. Using Polygon, you can create optimistic rollup chains, ZK rollup chains, standalone chains, or any other framework that developers may need. Polygon effectively turns Ethereum into a complete multi-chain system, i.e., the Internet of Blockchains. This multi-chain system is similar to Polkadot, Cosmos, Avalanche, and others, but with all the benefits of Ethereum: security, vibrant ecosystem, and openness. Polygon, formerly MATIC network, is a Layer 2 scaling solution backed by Binance and Coinbase. The project aims to stimulate the mass adoption of cryptocurrencies by solving scalability issues on many blockchains. So let's start with the most important news of the past days. MATIC, Chainlink, SAN price analysis, 27 February. Will the fear sentiment fail to improve over the last 24 hours? MATIC hovered near its point of control and saw a clash between its buyers and sellers around the $1.5 zone. On the contrary, Chainlink and SAN saw pattern breakouts, but still struggled to topple their immediate resistances to claim a healthy rally. From its ath on 27 December at $2.92, MATIC fell to witness a 54.24% decline and hit its 3-month low on 24 January. But the bulls quickly stepped in at the $1.3 mark as it saw a 58.6% ROI until 10 February. However, since then, the bears took over while bulls failed to defend the vital point of control, POC, red, in the $1.5 zone. This zone also coincided with the 61.8% Fibonacci support. As the $1.3 support stood sturdy, MATIC found an oscillation range between $1.3 and $1.5. The bulls need to increase their thrust to breach the POC and reclaim the golden support level. At press time, MATIC was trading at $1.487. The RSI steeply surged from the oversold region. Any recovery from here would find a ceiling at 54 for testing. Furthermore, the CMF displayed a bullish bias as it looked north. Even so, the ATX was on a downtrend and affirmed a weak directional trend. Chainlink, Link, the selling pressure heightened after the up channel, white, breakdown after the bears took over and pierced through crucial price points. As a result, Link plunged to hit its 14-month low on 24 February. However, the bulls finally showed up at the $11.7 mark as the alt recorded over 23.08% gains in the last 3 days. Thus, the altcoin managed to find a close above its 20 EMA, red, and endeavored to overturn the 50 EMA, sign. At press time, Link traded at $14.32. After testing the midline support 2 times in the last 3 days, the RSI revealed a bullish edge. Any close below the white trendline would affirm the existence of a hidden bearish divergence. The sandbox, SAND, the previous uptrend saw exceptional gains as the altcoin poked the $4.8 resistance and tested the 3-week trendline support, yellow, dashed. As the bear visit of $2 will follow these developments. MATIC's price might need a breather. MATIC's price action from 13 December 2021 to 16 March 2022 set up 4 lower highs and 3 lower lows. Connecting these swing points using 2 trendlines reveals a falling wedge in formation. This technical pattern favors the bulls, and the breakout is often explosive since the price gets squeezed during the formation. The target for this pattern is obtained by adding the distance between the first swing and swing low to the breakout point at $1.42. On 16 March, MATIC's price squeeze ended as it broke out of the falling wedge, forecasting a 36% ascent to $1.95. Making this breakout interesting and adding a tailwind is the daily demand zone, extending from $1.15 to $1.36. Since the breakout, the crypto has rallied by 28% and at press time, was hovering above the $1.64 support level. Going forward, MATIC's price could undergo a minor retracement that retests the $1.64 barrier before embarking on its uptrend. The bulls are likely to retest the target at $1.95, but in some cases, the rally might extend to the $2 psychological level. Such a move would push the total gains from 36% to 48%. The local top formed here will be a high conviction swing point and will lead to consolidation or a pullback to the immediate support levels. Who let the whales out? Supporting the bullishness derived from the falling wedge pattern for MATIC's price is the recent uptick in the number of large transactions made by those following their wallet. But if they do sign into the protocol, they can set a custom fee. And if they wanted to deter people from copying their trades, they could set a very high fee. HouseCat estimates that it could create a way for successful traders to effectively become asset managers in some sense. If they build up a large following, they might only own the assets in their wallet, but they would be somewhat responsible for a much larger amount of money. A 16-year-old teenager could have more assets under management than Goldman Sachs. You might have tens of thousands of people following your wallet, he said. Although the entirety of the crypto market is currently smaller than Goldman Sachs' current there are obviously risks to this approach. The person operating the wallet could act maliciously, leading all of its followers off a cliff. In anticipation of such possibilities, HouseCat has taken a few mitigations. HouseCat will initially restrict the tokens that can be copied, preventing traders from using their following to manipulate tokens with small market caps. Plus, it will also identify which traders have signed into the platform and are known to be actively managing their wallets, as opposed to wallet. Today we will discuss the Polygon price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. MATIC price prediction 2022. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are sure that the long-term price forecast for MATIC will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2022 could end with an average bid of $1.80 and a minimum bid of $1.75. The maximum bid is expected to be around $2.09. MATIC price forecast 2023. For a long-term forecast of the Polygon price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of MATIC will rise to around $2.64 by 2023 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of $2.98 with a minimum price $2.55 level. Polygon price prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Polygon could cross $4.41 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around $3.72. MATIC price prediction 2025. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this forecasting platform, Polygon will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2025, MATIC is expected to peak at $6.17. The minimum bet could go up to $5.10 if the market turns bullish. MATIC rate prediction 2026. MATIC will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Polygon rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2026, the Polygon rate will be almost $7.28. The maximum bet we can get is $8.97. Polygon average price forecast for the end of 2026 could be around $7.49. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market.